So you want to learn all the Spanish pronouns, but then you want to quit, and I don't blame you. This is the old way of studying Spanish. This way of learning can be so boring. I've been there. I remember having to learn, something, wanting to learn something, gathering all the information, and then feeling so overwhelmed that you really want to quit. That's the reason why I know how to help you. I help my students and even my kids. And it's really simple. It is break it down. Don't try to study all at once. It's mission impossible, okay? So grab your pronoun cheat sheet, the one I made for you, and you have the download down below, and it's free, okay? And study little by little doable task, okay? So for example, today you can start with personal pronouns, okay? And then you practice them, you say them out loud, and tomorrow with possessive pronouns, and so on. And always make sure to write down some sentences with it, practice, and also pronounce them, okay? Say them out loud. If you do this with anything you want to learn in life, you can do it with this, PDF that I have for you, with anything else. You do it little by little, doable tasks. You will soon see that, you make so much progress, okay? So now back to our main focus pronouns. So you have personal pronouns, the ones you use, okay, like I, you, yo, tú, él, okay, he, she, ella, nosotros, nosotras, okay, we for masculine, we for feminine, vosotros, vosotras, the you plural for masculine and feminine, they, okay, ellos, ellas. For example, yo soy Marta, tú eres María, ella es Julia, okay? Or ella es Cristina, él es Juan. Okay, so the subject, the personal pronoun goes there. So taking a look at your cheat sheet, okay, you see possessive pronouns, okay? In this kind of pronouns indicate possession. So we have mío, mía, okay, for mine. Este lápiz es mío, this pencil is mine. Or you can change to feminine, okay? Esta casa es mía, okay? It always matches the gender too. So mío, mía, okay? For mine. Then you have tuyo, tuya, for yours. Suyo, suya, okay? For his or for hers. Nuestro, nuestra, for ours. Vuestro, vuestra, for yours. Suyo, suya, okay? Moving on, we have verb object pronouns, okay? You have them there. So it's me, te, lo, la, nos, os, los, las, okay? And then you have the indirect object ones, okay? Same thing. The only thing that changes is le, okay? So let's study an example. If I say, he comprado un lápiz a mi hermana, okay? You say that un lápiz, I've bought a pencil, okay? A pencil is the direct object, okay? So un lápiz is masculine, so I can substitute it for lo, okay? The third person masculine, lo, okay? So I can say, lo he comprado, okay? If I want to substitute a mi hermana, the indirect object pronoun, with the indirect object pronoun, okay? I would say, le he comprado un lápiz, okay? And if I want to do both at the same time, le turns to se lo he comprado. Okay, moving on to reflexive pronouns. You see them there, myself, okay, it's me, te, yourself, se, for himself, herself, itself, nos, ourselves, os, yourselves, and se, themselves, okay? Then you have a little note there that says possessive pronouns. They also have plural, I have just mentioned that. And then you have examples for the whole cheat sheet. So this one is very similar as the one I have just explained. Él compró una casa, okay? Él la compró, because una casa is feminine. Él compró una flor a María. Él le compró una flor. Okay, those are for direct object and indirect object pronouns. And an example for reflexive ones, me levanto pronto. Okay, reflexive pronouns are the ones used with reflexive verbs. So me levanto pronto, I wake up early. You could say te levantas pronto, se levanta pronto, okay, and go on and so on. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. Remember that you can download this cheat sheet down below. Just click the link below. And remember that I'm here to help you. So practice, write down your examples, comment down below with examples. I will correct you. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you know where I am. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.